So, do you have a beard and work outside? Are you out in the elements and does your beard not behave so well maybe because of that? Well, you guys, let's talk about that. So, hey, real quick, my name's Joe. I go by JT9. I'm just a guy growing a beard and bringing things back to you that I learned along the way. And if you like this content, subscribe. Thanks. I appreciate it. All right. So, you guys, I guess relatively quick here. Um, really, the whole time I've been growing this beard is I've been in an office job inside all day. In fact, the last year here at home in my home office. And so, yeah, your beard gets used to and reacts to your atmosphere that you're in, right? Well, I've recently joined the railroad again with a bunch of experience that I've had. So I've joined the railroad again and I'm working outside, sometimes maybe for 12 hours at a time. So my beard is a different beard than it was when I worked inside all the time. So, what I found right now, and I'm still experimenting, and please, if you can help me too, leave comments down below, you guys. But this is what I found is I'm washing my beard every day just because of the elements that I'm in. I have to. It's going to be dirty or possibly to be dirty with being outside all the time, and I'm going to wash it every day. I'm doing that with 3 different products, and I just rotate that throughout the week. So I'm washing every day with a beard shampoo, and then I'm using oil. And then it could be 15 hours before I put anything else in my beard, or even look at my beard unless I look at it with my phone, right? No mirror or anything like that. So, man, it's totally different. That the humidity outside, it's been rainy, the nastiness with everything, in the industry and so forth. It's just a totally different feel of the beard. It hasn't reacted well this week, but I notice if I scale back, I'm not using any butter or balm throughout the day. I will do that at night, butter up real good, or do a real good coconut application, coconut oil application, and it feels good, but it's different. It's flying around in my face too, so I might have to maybe start tying it up some way too. I always wondered about them guys tying up them beards, and I'm like, now I know why they're doing that. So that might be something else I need to touch bases on. So you guys, that's what I find out. Maybe a little less products throughout the day does help. It's not such a reaction with the humidity and so forth. A little bit of oil and just let it go. And I mean, I'm not combing it because it's dry, and so I do a lot of this throughout the day and using my fingers and so forth. So it may not be pretty all day. So not pretty like it is when you work inside all the time, right? So hey, that's what I got right now, you guys. Everybody, thank you, and keep growing south.